One dry, hot summer morning, the sun rose over the farm. It had not rained for weeks and weeks, and everyone felt very tired. The pigs squealed. The horse stamped her hoof and twitched her tail. And every so often the cow let out a mournful moo. The children sat on the porch steps and scratched their mosquito bites. And their mother and father rubbed the backs of their necks and fanned themselves with the newspaper. Everyone was waiting. And then, slowly, something began to happen. The sky turned dark and gray as a big cloud came and settled over the farm. The children held their breath and waited. The cow mooed softly. The pigs rolled over in the dust. And the horse perked her ears and listened. And then, drop by drop, the rain began to fall, hitting the rooftops with tapping sounds, splashing the children on their noses, and then it began to pour, washing over the horse's back, pelting the pig's pink skin, slapping against the windows of the house until they grew foggy and damp. And the children broke loose from the porch steps and ran into the field for a summer's rain dance. Then the rain stopped, and the sun came out as a bright rainbow appeared across the sky.